Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you to online English classes. Today we are going to start a chapter from your book Beehive. That is chapter 8, Rich for the Top, part 2. And the name of the chapter is Maria Sharapova. We had already completed Rich for the Top, part 1. And that is Santosh Yadav. Then let's start part 2, Maria Sharapova. Rich for the Top part 2 is about the world renowned tennis player. Maria Sharapova rise to the top in the world of tennis. The secret behind her phenomenal success lies in the hard struggle and the immense sacrifice made by her and her parents. Both are doing sacrifice. Maria Sharapova and her parents. Born in Siberia, Russia in 1987, Maria Sharapova led a charge of Russian player who came to achieve great success in the women's game. Her humble background and temporary loneliness made her mentally tough and more determined. This mental strength, with her competitive nature, hard work, and sacrifice, won her the numbers one position in the world in women's tennis. Maria has also brought her own brand of glamour to tennis by designing her own unique tennis outfit. Now we start the chapter. This was the introduction part about the Maria Sharapova. A Russian girl, Maria Sharapova, reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18. As you read about her, if you can draw a comparison between her and Santosh Yadav. Here Maria Sharapova's story of success as she became the top seeded women tennis player in the whole world. It motivates us. She overcame all the hurdles and humiliations in order to achieve her dreams. Maria's hunger for success and her competitive spirit kept her going. There is something disarming about Maria Sharapova. Something at odds with her ready smile and glamour attire. And that something in her lifted her on Monday, 22nd August 2005 to the world number 1 position in women's tennis. All this happened in almost no time. Posed behind her years. The Siberian-born teenager took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacles. First you see the word meanings. Disarming What's the meaning of disarming? That means likable. At odd with, in conflict with. Pinnacle, that means the most successful point. Poised, that means calm. Glamorous, that means full of glamour. Attire, that means dress. Lifted, what's the meaning of lifted? Placed up or raised. Professional, that means vocational. Pinnacle, that means top. Now here there is some equality. In contrast to Maria Sharapova's smile and glamour, which makes her likable. It is the quality that helped her achieve success. As she attained world number one position in women's tennis on Monday, 22nd August 2005, Maria calmness and elegance is behind her age. She was born in Siberia, Russia, and as a teenager, she took only 4 years of training to become the top seeded women's tennis player. See the picture of Maria Sharapova. However, the rapid ascents in a fiercely competitive world began 9 years before with the level of sacrifice few children would be prepared to endure. Little Maria had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday when she was packed off to train in the United States. That trip to Florida with her father, Yuri, launched her on the path to success and stardom. But it also required a heart wrenching 2 year separation from her mother, Yelena. The latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of visa restriction. The 9 years old girl had already learned an important lesson in life, that tennis excellence would only come at a price. What's the meaning of rapid? That means very fast. Ascent, that means climb up. Fiercely, that means greatly. Competitive, that means having oppositions. Endure, that means bear or suffer patiently. Launched, that means sent forth or started. Stardom, that means status of a star. Wrenching, that means pulling. Separation, that means state of getting separate. Latter, that means second of the two. Compelled, that means forced. Restrictions, that means limitation. Excellence, being the best. Now, the fast growth of her career started 9 years ago when she had a big sacrifice which can be made by very few children of that young age. That time she is only 9 years old. She had not even turned 10 when she was sent to Florida, USA with her father for training in tennis. She was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother Yelena. Maria's mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she didn't have the permit to travel to the US. At the tender age of 9, Maria learned that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. See, without sacrifice, you can't get anything. If you want to get your achievement, then you have to sacrifice. I used to be so lonely, Maria Sharapova recalls. I missed my mother terribly. My father was working as much as he could to keep my tennis training going. So he couldn't see me either. What's the meaning of recall? That means remembers. Terribly, that means greatly. Terribly means greatly. Now here, Maria recollect that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot because she is that time only 9 years old. Her father worked hard to fetch money for her needs, and so he also could not meet her. Because I was so young, I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. The other tennis people would come in at 11 p.m. and wake up and order me to tidy up the room and clean it. What's the meaning of tidy up? That means make up or to clean the room. Now here Maria was very young, and so she would go to sleep at 8 p.m. The other students would return at 11 and would wake up her by ordering her to clean the room because they are seniors, and Maria Sharapova is very small, only 9 years old that time. Instead of letting that depress me, I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself. I never thought of quitting because I knew what I wanted. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. I would have put up with much more humiliations and insults than that, so steadfastly pursue my dream. What's the meaning of letting? Letting means allowing. Depress, that means to feel sad. Mentally, that means of the mind. Quitting, that means leaving. Put up, that means faced. Humiliation, that means insult. Steadfastly, that means with determination. Pursue, that means to follow. Here, Maria didn't get depressed by all this. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough because she know he wants to achieve. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. When a person has nothing, he craves and became determined to get it. She says that she would have greater humiliation and insults also in added order to achieve her dreams. She sacrificed a lot. That toughness runs through Maria even today. It was the key to her begging the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004 and to her meritorious rise to the world number one spot the following year. Begging, that means winning. Metric, that means very high. Here Maria returns her determination till present day. This determination lead her to grab the women's single trophy at the Wimbledon champion in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005. He got the great achievement in 2005. While her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to the summit of human tennis had touched the heart of tennis fan, for the youngest herself there appears to be no room for sentiment. The straight looks and the answers she gave when asked about the ambition make it imply clear that she considered the sacrifice were worth it. I am very competitive. I work hard and that I do. It's my job. This is a mantra for success. Frozen plains, that means plains covered with snow. Sentiments, that means emotion. Straight, that means direct. Ambitions, that means goal. Imply, that means clearly or greatly. Competitive, that means involving competition. Sacrifice, that means act of giving something valuable. Now tennis fans feels emotion to know about Maria Sharapova's journey. From the frozen regions of Siberia, but she is not moved by it. She gives straight answer when questions about her aims, which implies that she accepts that the hurdles and challenges she faced were worth the results that she got. She adds that she is competitive and work hard, and she considered it to be a part of her work. This is Maria's secret for success, and that is the mantra of success. We will continue the next class. Till then, goodbye.